treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Honda Odyssey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 5 optimally placed speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.